Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Focus side mirror. First, you'll need to access the mirror's mounting points from inside the car. Start by gently prying off the small, triangular plastic trim piece located on the interior of the door, right behind where the mirror attaches. Using a plastic trim removal tool is best to avoid scratching your door panel, but a flat blade screwdriver can also work if used carefully. This step reveals the electrical connections and mounting bolts. Once the interior trim is removed, you will see the electrical wiring harness connected to the mirror assembly. It's crucial to disconnect this before proceeding. Find the main electrical connector, which usually has a small tab you need to press. Push this tab firmly and then pull the connector straight back to detach it. Some models might have an additional small speaker wire or other connections, so ensure all electrical components are safely unplugged. With the electrical connections free, your next step is to remove the bolts holding the mirror in place. You will typically find 3 Torx head bolts, often T25 or T30 in size, securing the mirror assembly to the door frame. Use a ratchet with the correct Torx bit and an extension if necessary to reach them. Carefully loosen and remove all 3 bolts, making sure not to drop them inside the door panel. After all the bolts are removed, the mirror assembly should be ready to come off. Gently lift the mirror upwards and then pull it away from the door. It might be slightly tucked into a ridge or weather stripping, so a little wiggle can help. Ensure no wires are snagged as you pull it free. You have now successfully removed the side mirror. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections and bolts are secure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.